Hook turn is actually right turn from left. He can take the turn. This is the perfect hook turn. He don't want to show his face. Chalu. I am Vicroads and welcome to my channel. I don't speak English. Do you remember what I have told you? One of my videos. Yes, you are listening this in English, but I don't speak English. But I speak English 50-50. So first of all, I am going to tell you what is hook turn. Hook turn is actually taking a right turn from left. So if you want to take a right turn, you have to wait on the left side. Understand? Now I will show you taking a hook turn, how to take this properly. When I was in India, I know how to take a right turn, how to take a left turn. All Indians' most favorite turn, U-turn. When I come to Melbourne, I get to know that there are fourth type of turn. Hook turn? What is hook turn? Some of my friends told me, you should not have to go to city. There are hook turn. You can't drive there. Look, this is the sign for hook turn, which you can see everywhere in Melbourne city and nearby suburbs. Right turn from left. So we have to take a hook turn in this style. First we have to go left, wait there, and when the signal stops, we have to take right turn. If we are going straight and we have to take a hook turn, then we have to take a left and wait until this green light goes red. I mean yellow and then red. And when it's red and safe, we can take a right turn from there. So I'm going to take a hook turn and will show you. There is a sign to take a hook turn, so I'm taking it left. It's already red, so first I have to wait here. When it would be green, I would start driving. So this is the sign for hook turn, and you can see on the road there is another spot where I have to stop and wait for my turn. We have to wait until it's green. Now we can go forward, and I have to wait here, and I have to keep my right indicator on until the light goes red. When right side light becomes green, I can safely forward this side. Now it's going to be green. Okay, now it's green and I have to right turn perfectly. Look, so he's going to perform a hook turn from the front side. So people are avoiding hook turns. No one likes to take a hook turn, so they find a way to go straight and avoiding hook turn. Now the black BMW is taking hook turn here, so she's waiting there. Finally, still we are not getting perfect footage, so I have to send my friend to take a hook turn. Go for it, man. Take the keys. Take the keys. He don't want to show his face in the video. Go for it, man. Go. He's coming. Now wait there. He's red, and the right side light will go green, and he can take a turn. We have to wait for the safe gap. Now it's going to be safe. The lights are orange and it's red, perfectly empty. So now he can take the turn. This is the perfect hook turn. So this is the perfect way. Hope you understand. I was totally new to this thing, but when I came to Australia in Melbourne, now it's easy for me, so I can take easily hook turn. If I can avoid it, I try to avoid hook turn. When I have no other option, I'll go for a hook turn. So you also can take this. And for my Indian people, this is totally strange thing. I mean, not a strange, but new thing. So this is something new. So hope you like my video. And one thing I forgot to tell you, that you are allowed to laugh on my English. Wherever you think you should have to laugh. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.